Question belongs to page number 16 of a linear equation practice set 1.3. Question is third sub question 6. Now what is that? Question is 2x दिखना चाहिए 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, right? And another equation is x minus y upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. Again we have to solve with the Cramer's rule, and to by heart the trick is write the equation, write the general form. What is general form? a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, and a2x plus b2y is equals to c2, right? It is for dx, it is for dy, and it's of d. For d we have to take a coefficient of remaining, that means d is equals to what is remaining, a1 a2 b1 b2. So we will write a1 a2 b1 b2. What is the value of that? So from here if we will find the value of the equation, so let's compare with the equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to 2, and here x minus y upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2. So what is the value of a1? So remove x from the equation, you will get a value of a1, so that is 2. What is a2? So remove the x. What is the coefficient remaining? 1. We will write 1. For y, remove the y from the equation 1 for b1. Then what is balance? Plus 3 means positive 3. Here again we will release the y. It is in the form of a fraction 2. That means numerator is 1. That's 1 upon 2. Right? Now substitute. What is this function? First multiply minus. In a second bracket again two terms will be subtracted with each other. What is first term? 2 multiply by minus 1 upon 2. Here 1 multiply by 3. So 2 into 2 cancel. What is balance? It is minus 1. Here 3 ones are 3. In between there is a minus sign. Answer will be minus 4. Got it? Now for the dx. Note, for dx we have to find the value of x. We will close this thing. The formula will be based on b1 b2 and c1 c2. X will be replaced by c1 c2. B will be remain so same. That means dx is equals to y की वैल्यू ऐसे रह जाएगी b1 एंड b2 फ्रॉम द d, एंड d में जो x की वैल्यू है x एंड y के फॉर्म में था, y की वैल्यू ऐसे रहेगी. x के जगह पे हम d का फॉर्मूला लिख देंगे, d की कोएफिशिएंट, दैट इज c1 एंड c2, एंड योर फॉर्मूला विल बी फॉर्म. Now what is the value of c1? c1 is 2 and c2 is 1 by 2. That is c is 2 and 1 by 2. And next b1 b2 same, 3 and minus 1 upon 2. 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Substitute that in a first bracket 2 terms minus in a second bracket 2 terms with the cross form. So cross it, that is 2 multiply 1 upon 2, 1 upon minus 1. Again here this form 1 upon 2 into 3. Here 2 will be cancelled with 2 and it will give you minus 1, right? And the next minus, numerator will be multiplied by numerator, that is 3 and upon 2. Again now here 2, it's a fraction form, we will make a cross multiplication. 2 ones are 2, minus 2, minus 1 minus 3 upon 2 ones are 2. that is minus 5 upon 2. This dx. Now let's find the dy. For dy again we will write a formula, and formula will be again come from where? From d. In a d, x value will be remain same and y will be exchanged with the variable of d. That means formula will be x का a1 a2 similar, y के जगह पे now we will take a variable of d. D is c1 and c2. What is that? a1 a2. a1 is equals to 2, a2 was 1 and c1 is 2, c2 is 1 upon 2. Multiply it, first bracket minus second bracket, inner bracket 2 times, 2 brackets are inner, cross multiply, first variable 2, a1 into c2, now a2 into c1, that is 2, that is 2 से 2 cancel here 1 and 1 2 is 2 minus 2 and that's the minus 1. Now value of x is equals to, formula is dx upon d, that is dx is equals to how much? Minus 5 by 2, minus 5 upon 2 divided by d. What is the value of d? D is minus 4, that is minus 4. Substitute करेंगे तो what will be the value? Minus 5 upon 2 into 1 upon minus 4. Minus से minus cancel, answer will be 5 upon 8. And what is the value of y? That is dy upon d. तो dy का वैल्यू कितना है? -1. -1 divided by, again the value of d. Again the value of d. What is that? -4. That is -1 divided by upon -4. Minus से minus cancel and it's the remain 1 upon 4. Okay, done.